Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a smartphone 4. It's a 2005 model. I'm going to show you how I did that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 300 other videos on how to reset different kind of stuff. Reset of oil indicators, service indicators, TPMS indicators. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn the ignition on, as you can see, we'll have an indicator over here that says minus 247. I'm going to show you how I got rid of that. To reset, we have to use the two buttons on this side. You have to use the left side of this button. The trick is to do it very quickly. I'm going to show it to you twice. First step is turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and when you turn the ignition back on, tap the left button twice and let go. Like this. 1, 2. Turn back off the ignition, press that button again and hold it for about 10 seconds. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. And as you can see, the minus indicator is now gone. Check it. Double tap it to check it. As you can see, 20,000 is the next service. So once again, ignition off, ignition on, double tap this button, ignition off, hold that button, open the ignition again and wait for about 10 seconds with the button pressed, and then the indicator will reset itself. That was it. I hope this trick helped you. It sure did help me, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.